Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and well guys, in this video I'm going to tell you something very important about IELTS reading, and this is most important for academic IELTS reading, but it is equally important for general training reading. Well guys, you might have noticed in IELTS reading, when they select the passages, these passages are selected from different books and magazines. And by the way, I know the names of those books and magazines from where academic IELTS reading passages are selected. Okay, I told you where there is a problem, there is Asad Yaqub behind that. So one of my students, Ali Zishan Ijaz, from Gujranwala, Pakistan, he has collected all the latest magazines for me, and he has shared all the latest magazines. I mean the type of magazines like National Geographic, New Scientist, right? Then we've got Guardian, Time magazine. These are the magazines from where IELTS examiners select the passages and then they make IELTS test. Then we've got New Scientist, The Week, IFR magazine, and there are many other. So what I have done for you, I have compiled a list of more than 10 magazines which can be useful for you for your IELTS preparation. Because you guys practice with IELTS reading, academic reading, and then you realize that you don't have good understanding of the passage. These magazines, if you read them carefully, you can read them on your mobile, on your laptop, on your desktop, because they are electronic, they are in electronic form. These magazines will improve your reading skill, and once your reading skill improves, definitely IELTS reading will become a piece of cake for you. And again, I'm telling you, this is quite authentic that IELTS reading tests are made, or the passages which are selected, they are actually selected from these magazines which I have shared with you. It's so simple. Just comment this video and then go to description box, and there you will find a link. Click the link, it will open a new window, and there you will find all these magazines, and these magazines are like 2 MB, 3 MB. All 10 magazines are going to be around 30-35 MBs, but the main thing is you need to spare some time to read these magazines so that you improve your IELTS reading and you fulfill your dream of going to a foreign country. Believe you me guys, I'm trying my level best to help you out, to make you reach to your destination country. I know we belong to relatively developing countries, and in our countries we don't have the lifestyle and the facilities which these foreign or Western countries offer. So that's why I request you all to work hard. This period of your life, this time of your life is the most crucial one. These 2 to 3 months of your life are the most important ones, because they are going to decide and determine your future. Thank you very much. I also, once again, I'm thankful to my student Zishan and Zishan Ijaz, Ali Zishan Ijaz actually. Ali Zishan Ijaz is from Gujranwala, and he has shared all this information. Ali Zishan, hopefully you will be sharing more magazines with me, and then I'm going to pass on with my students. If you have any good books, magazines, or IELTS relevant material which is really good, which is going to add value to my students, please share that with me and I'll pass that on. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.